Hello guys. Welcome back again today. I'm going to show you how to save more battery on laptop or extend battery life. First, open search and type edit power plan. Now in here click on power option. If you don't see power plan option like me, don't worry. Let's click on create a power plan and choose power saver, and you can name whatever you want. Next here, customize power option. For Windows 11, go to Setting. System power and battery. You can choose best power efficiency for saving battery. For Windows 10, select the battery icon on the taskbar, and then drag the slider to the power mode you want. Continue back to our Windows 11, click on Energy Recommendation. In here we want our screen to adjust brightness automatically on battery only. Next, turn on battery saver. When battery saver is on, your PC temporarily turns off some things that use a lot of power, like automatic email and calendar syncing, live tile updates, and apps you're not actively using. It's only available when you're running on battery power. Next, try to disable Startup app. You can check how many apps that are currently active now. The more apps you are running. To disable Startup, you can have two ways. First, open Task Manager and choose Startup apps to see the list of apps that are running when first open laptop or desktop. Second way, search Startup app in the search taskbar. If you don't know which apps to disable, try to search it in Google whether you need it or not. Next, disable widget. If you need a widget while working, you should consider turning it off to save more battery and memory. Go to search taskbar and search widget. Another way to disable it is go to Setting Personalization taskbar. Another way to extend battery life is change the refresh rate. This is for laptop gaming especially because refresh rate refers to how many times per second your monitor can display a new image, which is measured in Hz HZ. Try to adjust it to 120 Hz or 60 Hz based on your experience on battery power. Since my laptop is 120 Hz, I can't really change it. Any laptop that is above 120 Hz, you will definitely be able to adjust it. Next, change the laptop mode. Because I'm using Lenovo laptop, I need Lenovo Vantage to adjust it. Others' laptop like Asus will need an app called Armoury Crate. Lastly, if all the methods is still not working for you, you will need to check the battery health of your laptop. You can follow me to see how many percentage of battery health I have left. You can check yours by doing the same. Type power CFG/battery report and enter. You need to copy the link and paste it to browser to see the detail of your laptop battery. You can see my battery health is 91%. If your battery health is lower, consider changing it. So, thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. It helps me a lot.